explain myself. You said you care for me, care for me, care for me. Said you be there for me, cry for me, cry for me. Murder on the beat. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today we'll be using the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make it extra and I'm gonna make it festive, and we're gonna get closer and just get straight into it. So I'm gonna start off with this pink right here, and that is called Electric, and I'm just using a blending brush. So I'm just gonna blend that in. So I'm going a little bit over my crease. And really quick, I didn't forget about this concealer up here. I don't blend it out until I do my foundation, so don't think I'm just crazy. With the same brush, I'm gonna go into this pink right here. Dippy. So we're gonna dippy and dippy. Whoa. I think I put too much of dippy, but we're gonna make it work. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna just apply this on the outer, on the outsides. Did you see that pigment? I had enough on this brush to put on both eyes. Now I'm just gonna blend this out. Very bright. I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna add more of this light pink right here and blend out the outsides. So every time I blend out, you notice I'm just getting closer and closer to my eyebrow. You gradually want to build that up to the brow. Girl concealer. This is in pure beige. I'm going to cut my crease and I'm gonna carve out this middle. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm just doing this so I can make sure I have a lot of that space because I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna take Euphoria on a flat brush. And I'm taking it down here. Not all the way, but just to like where my bottom lash line starts. Okay, now I'm going to take this pink right here. I'm going to pat that on to the outer edge. Okay, now I'm going to use... I think I'm gonna should I use this green right here or this blue? Green or blue? Green or blue? I think I'm gonna do green. Now I'm gonna use this blue right here. I didn't know where I was going, but we're gonna just go for it. So I want to do one more color. It's going to be between this purple right here. Sorry, this purple right here or this blue right here. And it's going to be blue. 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 We're doing blue. Yeah, I'm only going to keep this blue right in this middle right here. Right in the middle. I'm going to take this dense brush and I'm going to go into Dippy. And I'm gonna put it on this outer edge and then all over the place. So really quick, I'm gonna line my eyes with this Essence liner. The lash I'm using are these Kiss Sultry A lashes. I've used these in my past 75 videos, and yes, they're the same ones. Now let's do bottom lash line. This white NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk. Right here, this blue right here, which is Palooza. And right under it, I'm going to use that pink. Maybelline Lash Sensational on my bottom lashes. This is the look I created using the Weekend Festival palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm absolutely in love. It's bold, it's dramatic, it's out there. It's called Weekend Festival, so I tried to give you festive mattes to the shimmers. This palette was made extremely well. The packaging, the look of it, the outside. Look at those colors on the outside. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this palette. It's super versatile, whether you want to go super simple every day or if you want to go super I'm going to the festival. If you like this look, leave me a thumbs up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching.
Watch the breakdown.